If you have an online store, you're an e-commerce business. And if you want to know how to start or grow online, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to be exploring e-commerce, how to plan, design, build, and launch a shop on the internet, and then, of course, lead people to it. Step 1, the planning. It pays to plan ahead. Before you begin, you'll need to choose a project manager, someone you trust to take control of the process. This could be a trusted colleague, an external agency, or even yourself. It's also a good idea to set out timescales and where you'd ideally like to be at various stages. Finally, you'll need to create a list of requirements or objectives that outline exactly what you want from your e-commerce site. It helps to get anyone in your business who might be interested on board at this point so they can give their input on all of this and show their support for the project right from the outset. Step 2, the decision making. There's a lot to decide when opening a store, even more so if it's online. First up, you'll need to have a product or a service. What could you do, make or sell? What's your competition like? And how can you make your offering truly unique? Once you've got that winning idea, you'll need to find a domain name. This will be your new web and email address. Exciting times. It's best practice to use your business name if it's available. You also want to think about pricing, considering the cost of making or buying your products, hosting your site and taking payments. And remember to leave yourself a reasonable profit. Next on the list, shipping options. Research the available options for delivery and choose a reliable courier. You might even offer free delivery on orders over a certain amount. Now, choose a web hosting provider, then set up a merchant bank account. You'll need this to accept payments from credit cards, debit cards, and more online. Step 3, the platform picking. There's one important part of the process we skipped over, and that's because it's just that, important, really important in fact. An e-commerce platform is the backbone of an online store, providing the software you need to manage your website and your customers need to make purchases. There's a lot to consider when choosing one, such as pricing and fees. Every platform will have monthly fees, processing fees, and perhaps a few extra costs. Compare providers to get the best value. Search engine optimization, SEO. Does your e-commerce platform support SEO? This can help you be found on search engines like Google or Bing. Customer service. Your e-commerce platform is sure to be central to your business. So if something goes wrong, it's worth thinking about the quality of the support you'll receive. Design. Most platforms will come with a range of themes for your site, some free and some paid. Is there a design that fits your brand? Security and compliance. Make sure your site supports HTTPS, SSL secure, and is PCI compliant. There's more information from this department available on theukdomain.uk. And finally, mobile friendliness. More and more people are choosing to shop on their phones. It's good to know whether your platform has this functionality. So you've got a plan and you've got a platform. What next? Step 4, the building. You won't need bricks and mortar for an online store, but you still need a framework that allows customers to shop. The essential elements are intuitive design. It should be easy to find products on your site and even easier to buy them. Create individual pages for each item, including images and clear call to action like buy now. Navigation. Customers must be able to get from page to page and from product to product with ease. After all, everyone likes shopping around. Make sure more decisive people can search for what they want too. Checkout. It's vital that checking out is simple and secure, so give some thought to your payment page. Step 5, the designing. In the world of online, content is king. Every piece of content you create can help to sell your products, provide your customers with useful information, and improve your search engine performance. To build an effective e-commerce site, you'll need to write great product copy. Make sure your product copy fits your brand's tone of voice, highlights key benefits and features, and explains how the product works. Add videos to improve conversion rates. How-to demonstrations and other relevant videos can really make your products or services shine. After all, why do you think we're here? Try blogging. Publish posts that talk about your products, give information on how they work, or simply play to your customers' interests. The more they trust your business, the more they'll want to shop with you. Encourage review writing and add reviews to product pages. Give incentives to customers for writing reviews and pop these on your product pages. Again, it all comes down to trust, including some FAQs. Where is your product made? What's its eco-credentials? Is it dishwasher safe? Whatever you're selling, customers are going to have questions. Preempt them, answer them, and again, build that all-important trust. Provide information on delivery and returns, just in case. Make sure privacy policies and terms and conditions are easy to find. Now your e-commerce store is live and ready for customers to explore. But the question is, how do you get them there? Step 6, the traffic seeking. Exceptional product? Check. Excellent site? Check. Extraordinary number of customers? No? Don't panic. Once an e-commerce site is up and running, it can take some time for traffic to come. And a bit more effort on your part too. Why not investigate SEO? Make sure your site is indexed by search engines and start some SEO basics in place. Pay per click, PPC. Invest in some PPC ads to appear at the top of search results using keywords that are relevant to your business and target market. Email marketing, social media, and influencers. Shout about your site across email and your social networks. You can even connect with relevant influencers, sending them free products in exchange for promotion. Check out our other guides and resources about how to grow your online business. Ultimately though, it's about keeping your customers happy enough to share reviews, to show off your products to other people, and to shop again. So once you've taken care of creating your site, take care of the ones who use it. It really is just that simple. Check out our other guides and resources on theukdomain.uk about how to grow your online business.